welcome back to Aidy's Little Shed Shop. Today we're going to be doing another puzzle out of this. Easy handmade toys and games with 35 wood projects and patterns, and it really does have all the patterns for all the projects in here. What we're going to do today is a fire engine. Who doesn't like a fire engine? Patterns in the book at the back, right there. Absolutely brilliant. Now I've already prepared this so you haven't got to go through the laborious task of watching me. So there we go. Masking tape. I've glued down the pattern with the best glue in the world. And then I've sellotaped over the top just to give the blade a little bit of lubrication. That's it. Let's head on over to the scroll saw. And if you like the video, click the like button and consider subscribing. So let's go. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to have to drill some holes. Yes, zip, zip, ready to be cut out. And then we'll go to the scroll saw. Let's get that drilled. Now to the scroll saw. Going back into the ladder, you start in the cut that you made, which makes it so much easier to get in and then get out at the other side. When cutting the wheels, because we made that first cut as we were cutting it out with the waste, it's going to pull into that cut line, but it's going to make it so much easier for you to continue round and try and get them as round as possible. And don't forget to use a piece of waste on the exit so you have less tear out. Right, take this piece out first. This will be hard. I'm so glad that I made the first initial cut at the angle on one side and on the straight up beside it as well. Ooh, that was tough. I've not had to come out of a corner like that before. Or go into a corner like that before. Peel off the pattern and sand. Chamfered and not chamfered. There we go. Yeah, I know, I'm just a big child. But that is a cool puzzle. I love how chamfering the edges gives you more definition in these types of puzzles. What I don't like about this puzzle is a single connection here and here makes this quite flimsy. Feels like it might fall apart easily. Then again, it is for a child, and of course this up the top here, the lights, very, very small. So I think if that was to be given to a child, I'd probably glue that in case it was inhaled, swallowed, eaten, tried to be digested by a little tiny person. I don't know what I'm going to do, whether I should finish it with maybe a lacquer or paint it and lacquer it, or just leave it bare and let someone else finish it the way they want it. I might do that. It's what I always do, isn't it? Is that boring? Maybe. Anyway, it gives the personal touch then, doesn't it? It means that someone can do it themselves. I hope you've liked this video. Tried something a little bit different with it, and if you have, please like, subscribe, click for notifications, and we'll see you again soon. Thank you for watching Easy Little Shed Shop.